Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some outdoor lawn decor ideas. Here are great backyard lawn landscaping ideas. Your backyard landscaping should be an extension of what's going on inside your home, often regardless of your indoor style. Your lawn ends up looking more colorful, casual and fun. The possibilities are only limited by the terrain, your design skill and your do-it-yourself landscaping know-how. You can always hire a landscape designer or architect to help your outdoor space realize its potential. A skilled professional can guide you through the process of figuring out a style, deciding who will be using the yard, creating zones of activity, choosing material and plants, and recommending builders and contractor for everything from swimming pool to outdoor structure to installing irrigation. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. This cozy yet spacious seating area has plenty of privacy thanks to privacy fencing and some well-placed perennial grasses that also help absorb noise. The sturdy, practical table and benches provide a casual dining space, and this seating area with couch is a perfect place for an afternoon nap or evening gathering. No patio, no problems. There is no need to go to the trouble of installing a patio or other flooring in fair weather. With level lawn area, just arrange some comfy chairs and some ambient lighting, some large candle holder, and you have a perfectly lovely seating area with impromptu charm. There is plenty of waterproof areas ideas. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.